God really took his time with Cape Town. This place is so stunning. It's beautiful. Did you know that Cape Town's Table Mountain is one of the 7 natural wonders of nature? Table Mountain is the most iconic landmark of South Africa. It is also the country's most photographed attraction, and its famous cable car took millions of people to its top. Table Mountain has become the single most welcoming icon to travelers from all over the world. I invite you to explore this iconic attraction with me. How y'all feeling? Brothers, y'all alright? It's Kezia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Table Mountain. This is one of the 7 wonders of the world, and we're going to take you up to see this beautiful views and this beautiful mountain. As you can see over here, you can see the whole city. Over here is Lion's Head, which is another nice place to go hiking and see a nice sunset. But for today, we are focusing on Table Mountain. We're getting ready to go on the Table Land tour. Okay guys, these are the tickets. They're 390 Rand each. The only time that you can get it for free is if you have your South African residence and it's your birthday month. So other than that, that's what it is like. Alright, we're getting ready to get inside of the cable car to go up to Table Mountain. It's so exciting. Wait till you see the views in the cable car. But, come on.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Table Mountain Aerial Cableway. For your own safety, please step away from the sides, let go of the silver handbars as the floor will now be rotating. I do repeat, please step away from the sides, let go.
I really hope y'all are not afraid of heights, because we're going up, y'all. Check out these views. They are so unmatched. It's so stunning. Alright, so isn't this beautiful? I don't know what kind of plant this is, but it is so beautiful. The last time we came up here, I don't even remember seeing this plant. And this is my 6th or 7th time up here. And every time I come to Table Mountain, it's different. It's like more things to explore. The views are different. And it's really, really magical up here. I love it. So I was just reading here because, you know, sometimes in the morning you can see like the little white clouds. It's called the Table Mountain tablecloth. It's when moisture comes and it leaves like a white residue on the table, well, on the mountain. Y'all, this is our spot. We always take pictures at the same spot. Every time. We don't ever have any competition. This is like literally our spot to take pictures in. On this rock right here on the end, it has some of the best views. The best views, and the sun be hitting that skin, right? But yeah, we're getting ready to take some pictures. So as I said before, this is our spot. This is our main picture spot. All 7 times I've been up here, I came here to this spot to get the picture and the view. So over here you can see this vegetation. So they burn this vegetation about 5 or 6 times a year, because other than that it'll be overgrown. But it is so stunning up here. I can't like express it enough. If you ever have the opportunity to come to Table Mountain, please do not miss the chance to do so. Table Mountain hides many surprises that wait to be discovered. It is much more than a scenic photograph background or a place from where you can take a breathtaking photo of Cape Town. There are about 2,200 species of plants found on Table Mountain and 1,470 floral species. Many of these plants and flowers are endemic to this mountain. being up here really makes me realize the majesty of God. God is so amazing. He made all of this, just thought it up and created it. It's so beautiful. Like, and I say this all the time, I'm gonna say it again. God really took his time with Cape Town. This place is so stunning. It's beautiful. Table Mountain tour. I just came up here to get one last view, and we're heading back down on the cable car. Y'all see the beautiful birdie? These can do that, right? What? We're here, guys. Look at my bird friends hanging out with me on the rock. Okay, guys, this is the Cloud Bar. They offer muffins, drinks, beer, coffee. You can get little snacks up here if you want to buy something to eat, and this is the place. It's really cute. of nature. One of the 7 wonders of the world, guys. You guys have to come to Table Mountain. There are many caves on Table Mountain, the biggest one being Wynberg. Over 800,000 people visit it each year. If you are ever in Cape Town, make sure that you put this #1 on your list. Today's weather was just perfect, not a cloud in the sky, and I appreciate you all coming along with us. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, may your mountains rise into and above the clouds. Miracles and blessings.